How to set up your Stripe account with RPAS Wilco. For our partners, we've built a fully automated payment system to ensure transactions are seamless and secure. To receive payments from us, you'll need to set up a Stripe account, the world's largest and most trusted fintech platform. To begin, ensure you are logged into your RPAS Wilco account. In the same browser, open the link included in the Stripe account setup email. Enter your email address and password. Then click Submit. Next, you need to set up two-step authentication. You can scan the QR code to set up your account with your preferred app, or alternatively, use your phone or a security key by selecting the options at the bottom. After completing this step, your account will be secured. Stripe will provide you with a recovery code to use in case you ever need to recover your account. Make sure you store this code safely. Enter your business location and business type. Next, enter your personal details, including your legal name, email address, job title, date of birth, home address, and phone number. Now, enter your business details and select the correct company type. Only minimal information is required, but all mandatory fields must be completed. If you don't have a business website, you can use our website. Now, enter your bank details, including currency, transit number, institution number, and account number. Then, select your payment schedule. You can choose either manual or automatic payments. Review all your information carefully, then click Agree and Submit. All of your information and payments will be stored securely and processed through Stripe.